everybody. I know it's been a while. We've been slacking on this shit, but yeah, back with the new video. I just got out of work right now. Let's see. But yeah, we have some parts to install. I'm gonna wash the car first and shit. We got some parts. We get the shift stopper, and then the mirror's rain guard, I guess. That shit. But yeah, and then we're gonna reinstall the generators for like the roof. We're gonna wash the car. We're gonna give it a quick wash. That way the shit can stick good, the glue and shit. And then I'll wipe it down with IPA shit, which is just isopropyl alcohol. Yeah, then they're gonna go right there, and then, you know, obviously the one's tough because I took it off. I just didn't like the way it was sticking and shit. I trimmed some of it, that way it can stick and like sit properly. But I trimmed most of it, that way it can sit good. You just give it a wash and then put that and then both things in there. I'll see if I'll put the shit on or not. But yeah. See it. Something like that. Alright, we got it on. It's finally sitting good. That little gap is just because of the 3M tape, but all across it's sitting right. And then we got these, like I said. But other than that, yeah, that's the whole video. Next video is probably gonna be let me show you guys. Even over here, it's sitting good. Just has a little gap, but that's from the 3M tape. The next video is gonna be for the shift stopper, so stay tuned for that. Because I'm waiting for my Daytona jack that hasn't came in, so I can go in the car and install this one. This one goes under the shifter linkage shit. But other than that, yep, just stay tuned, and I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.